first awarded in 1999 to recognise work introducing applied mathematical methods and scientific computing techniques. I'm delighted now to be joined by the winner of this year's Pioneer Prize, Professor Yvon Maday. Yvon, first of all, thank you so much for joining us and many congratulations.
Thanks a lot.
Well, this award recognises your leading role in the introduction of powerful methods for numerical simulation. Could you tell us a little bit more about your work?
So my work is completely interdisciplinary. From the beginning, I started to do mathematics because I wanted to be a mathematician, but I wanted to be a mathematician that is able to explain things. So at the same time I started my PhD in math, I started to learn something in medicine in order to be able to discuss with medical doctors and be able to understand what they say, how they think. And then I continue to work with different disciplines, of course mechanics, and biology. I worked also on fundamental aspects of mathematics, which is important. It's not only to show pictures, it's about thinking very deeply about the problem and propose methods to solve these. So I think this prize is recognizing both the interdisciplinary aspect of my work and also the fundamental part.
Why do you think interdisciplinary collaboration is so important?
Because I want that my work helps people, so helps other scientists, and also I am quite curious, so when somebody raises a problem, I start to understand it, to pose it in a good way, in a mathematical sense, and so there is work afterwards, of course, but already to discuss with people is important, it's part of our job.
I know a lot of your work has been used in industry and also has been fundamental in the launch of some startups. Can you give us an example of some of that work?
A nice aspect has been raised by the railway inside Paris, the metro, and the collaboration was in order to optimize the network of metro station, and also outside from Paris it's well known that the RER has some difficulties, so we tried to propose a method that have not been implemented yet, I would say, because it was based on the fact that these trains were automatic, and now there are still some people that are running them. But it was a very nice collaboration.
What does winning this prize mean to you?
It means a lot. When I see the people that got the prize, this prize before me, it is difficult to understand why I got it. So already I knew by the publication that the work was helpful, but this is certainly a very important recognition, and I am very proud of it.
The next ICIAM is in 2023 in Tokyo. What do you think the next 4 years hold for you?
So the next 4 years will be used in the frame of ERC Synergy program that we got. So Synergy means that we are 4 PIs that will be working together on problems related to molecular simulation. Since there are so few mathematicians working in this direction, one of the goals is first to accelerate the numerical simulation in this context, but also to have a new category of students, mathematical students, that will be working with us and will be able to know what are the important problems in this direction and solve them.
Thank you so much for joining us, Yvon. That's really interesting to hear all about all of your work, and once again, many congratulations.
Thank you, and thank you for having me.